Over recent years, one of our fundamental driving elements has been bringing people together without it costing the earth. We want customers to keep their phones for longer. Our values are longevity, durability, and sustainability alongside the most up-to-date experiences. As I said earlier, the Nokia X30 5G is eco-friendly to its core. Its body is made with recycled materials, which means that it delivers the smallest eco-footprint of any of our smartphones to date. Our X series handsets stand the test of time. We want customers to replace their phones less often, thus doing something good for the planet. You'll always have peace of mind with the X series, especially the X30 5G, which comes with the magic of 3. We also want to push the boundaries in hardware. With the Nokia X30 5G, you will get the best pure view photography experience to date, with other great features such as the 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED Pure display screen, as well as the ever-reliable battery usage. Why Nokia? Well, with our durability, up-to-date experiences, and the longevity of our devices, customers will demand Nokia.